viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, I'm going to A Little Spot of Talent, a story about finding your way to shine. Written and illustrated by Danny Albert. So without further ado, let's begin reading this book. Hi, I am a little spot of talent. I show up when you are talented at something. Being talented is when you are very good at doing something. This could be a skill that is fun, entertaining, or beautiful, or unique. Does everyone have a talent spot? Great question. Yes, everyone has their very own talent spot. Sometimes you find it right away, and sometimes it can take a while to see. That's why I'm here to help. I'm sure you have been able to see talent in others, like a kid who's great at basketball or someone who can paint something amazing. Being able to recognize talents in others can help you find your talent spot because it gives you a chance to see so many possibilities. Talent spots can be a little tricky sometimes because some of them love to hide. These talent spots are harder to see and harder to find because they're hiding behind things that you would not think to try, like playing an accordion, performing magic, or riding a unicycle. I don't think I have a talent spot. I can't find it. Don't worry, if you don't know where your talent spot is, it doesn't mean you don't have one. It just means you haven't found it yet. That's why I made this talent spot map. It will help you find your talent spot. Are you ready to get started? Absolutely. Okay, let's start at the beginning. The first spot here on the map is courage. You need courage to try as many new skills as you can, even if you're scared or embarrassed, so you can find what you might be talented at, like auditioning for a school play or trying out for a team. You can even attempt to play a new instrument. Even if you don't know how to do it, the first step is just to try. The more things you try, the easier it will be to find your talent spot. There's another spot on the map. This is a spot of confidence. Your confidence spot and talent spot are the best of friends. Did you know when you were talented at something, it can make you feel confident too? Make a list of all things that you feel confident doing. Things like math, dancing, or singing. Your talent spot might be hiding within these skills. Giving is your next spot you see. When you give your time to help others, you not only have an opportunity to experience new things, but you also can meet new people. Toy drive, donation. Volunteering might help you discover something you never knew you enjoyed. The next spot here is optimism. Having a positive outlook helps you look at things differently. When you have a shift your mindset, when you can shift your mindset, it is easier to keep working in challenging situations. Negative thoughts to positive thoughts. Being optimistic helps you manage negative thoughts so it can be easier to try new things. Happiness spot is next. Your talent is often near your happiness spot. Think about what makes you happy. What do you like talking about? Can you make an activity for hours like drawing or painting? Or maybe you love reading or writing. Do you love animals or building blocks? Your talent spot might be hiding there. We're almost done. The next spot is perseverance. There are times you don't find your talent spot right away because you are distracted when something doesn't go as planned. You can persevere and keep trying when things become hard or challenging. Your talent spot might be waiting for you at the finish line. Sometimes it takes a little practice to grow your talent spot, but big enough to see it shine. Last spot on the map is patience. If you still haven't found your talent spot, that's okay. It can take some time to find what you're good at. Your talent spot can show up when you least expect it. It can happen tomorrow, a week from now, or years from now. My biggest hope that you will never stop looking for it. I forgot to tell you, and this is very important. Your talent spot actually needs you as much as you need it. Even though it might be hiding or it's super small, it wants you to find it. If you ever find something that interests you, give it a try. It might be your town spot attempting to shine. So, do you think you are ready to find your town spot? Okay, since I forgot my intro, I'm just gonna end the video right here. So, goodbye. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!